guys. Yeah, I'll show you this Home Depot moving van that you can rent. I rented. Of course, the pictures online are not available, so just want to make a quick video so you see what is available for you to tie. There's a strap here on that, but it doesn't go all the way, where you can strap stuff. And here as well, there's a door over there. The floor is kind of sticky, so can't really slide stuff on it, but anyways, this is a brand new one. Actually, it's got 3,000 miles on it, but there's no Apple CarPlay, there's no screen, there's no nothing in there. It's still the same like they made it 20 years ago or whatever. Still the same. I mean, nothing really to see over there, but yeah, there's really not much going on. It's so crappy. But anyways, online when I rented it, this was supposed to be a cargo van, but this is what I got, not a cargo van. And by the way, I had to return the TV, which is like 50 inches tall. That box, it did not clear the door. I'm not entirely sure what's the measurement here, but inside is fine. Just through the door, it didn't go through, so we had to tilt it like that and take it in, strap it. And this is an open box, so yeah, hopefully it's still alive and kicking. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later.